Hi, this is Stan. Well, today we're going to put a trailer hitch receiver on this BMW X3. Here's the unit by Curt. I got it from etrailer. Here's the receiver portion. This is all thick steel welded together, and it looks like it's powder coated. Pretty robust. And a package of 4 nuts and a little bit of a diagram. So let's get busy. Well, this process is very similar for a whole range of years of the BMW X3. This happens to be 2006. We have to start by getting this bumper cover removed. This is the rear wheel well on the passenger side. It looks like there's 2 8mm washer bolts that have to come out. And we'll sort of pry this out of the way. Okay, you may have to wrestle with this liner, but we got to peel it back. And there are 2 bolts that have to come off, 2 8mm. So let's get busy on that. There we are. And there's one more bolt that has to come out. It's a T25, and it's right up here behind the slit that you see on the outside. There we go. Well, that was a little fiddly to get to. Now, let's do the same thing on the driver's side. All right, there's all 5 screws on the driver's side. It's a little frustrating. It's not super warm today, so this plastic is cold, and it was a bit of a wrestling match to get this thing bent back out of the way. Okay, we're laying down, looking up. There's the muffler. Looks like we have a 8mm here. Past the spare tire. Over here on the passenger side, looks like maybe a 10mm here. So let's get those 2 off. And one more 10mm nut has to come off. It's just outside of the muffler on the driver's side. So let's see if we can pry off this piece of trim. There might be a couple of mounting screws behind here. And sure enough, we have some T25s here, and here. Looks like 4. So let's get busy on those. And there we are, 4 of them. Okay, we're going to have to carefully see if we can unwiggle this. It's kind of a snap fit in here, and I don't want to kink it. we are. All right, this is the factory steel bumper. The rest is just sort of cover. This is what has to come off so that we can put our trailer hitch receiver on. And there's 4 main 18mm nuts that have to come off. All right, 4 18mm and factory bumper should come off. Just like that. And our receiver should go back on. And according to the direction sheet, 79 pound-feet of torque. Right there. So we'll listen for the click. Next, we have to do a little bit of trimming of the plastic on top of this housing here. So, got my Dremel tool, and let's get after that. Now we're going to cut this out to make room for the receiver there. So I've got it marked with blue tape. Okay, let's see if we can put Humpty Dumpty back together again. Well, that's going to do it. Hope that was helpful for you if you're considering this kind of a project. There's probably more professional videos out there than this one, so look around on YouTube. I'll be honest with you, the most frustrating part of the job is really not the hitch and the receiver and taking the bumper off. It's dealing with all the plastic parts. Thanks so much for watching.